Welcome to our comparison of two leading portable countertop dishwashers, the AirMSEN and the Silonn. In today's video, we'll dive into the features, specifications, and overall value of these two models, designed for apartments and RVs. Whether you're looking for smart technology or a quiet operation, we've got you covered. Let's start with the price. The AirMSEN portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $379, making it a premium option. In contrast, the Silonn model is significantly cheaper at $269, offering a more budget-friendly choice for consumers. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget. Next, let's talk about smart features. The Silonn portable dishwasher stands out with its smart app control, allowing users to manage their washing cycles remotely. On the other hand, the AirMSEN relies on traditional touch controls, lacking the modern convenience of app integration. If technology is a priority for you, the Silonn may be the better choice. Finally, let's compare the noise levels. The AirMSEN operates at a quieter 50 decibels, making it ideal for small living spaces where noise can be a concern. In contrast, the Silonn operates at 56.3 decibels, which is slightly louder. If a peaceful environment is important to you, the AirMSEN may be the preferable option. In conclusion, both the AirMSEN and Silonn portable countertop dishwashers offer unique advantages. The AirMSEN is quieter and features a transparent door for monitoring, while the Silonn is more budget-friendly and comes with smart technology. Depending on your needs and preferences, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.